Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2957th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, remember how risky trading can be. Risky. Never trade without stops. Put your protective stops in first. So this video is coming at you on a Thursday night for trading Friday, August 15th. 2025. We have a neutral OMNI for the Dow, but we were long the Dow all day today. Finally, at the end of the day, it rallied. We got out with a little profit. The market closed, reopened at 6 p.m. Eastern, and exploded 245 points. The OMNI was right on. Just needed an extra hour to give us more profit. With that in mind, we've got a neutral OMNI for trading U.S. indices, but something tells me that there's going to be an Oscarism trade if one sets up on Friday. So don't get complacent. Even though we have a neutral OMNI, the likelihood is I'm going to pull an Oscarism trade and get us into the markets anyway. Look at this Dow chart. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? Nothing wrong with this, holding the average, holding this great channel. Even though we've got a neutral OMNI, we are looking for an Oscarism trade for trading on Friday. What else is out there? Oh, let's see. We wanted to show you this guy. Look at the E-mini S&P. You know, for a while now, I've been showing you this chart, basically since all the way down here in April. And I've been calling this the Trump got it all wrong rally. Because if you recall, back in April, before the tariffs came out, I gave everyone a target in my videos, and I claimed do not get out of the markets, don't bail out when they crack, buy it here. And then I did videos every single night that week saying don't bail out of the stock market, buy it here. It held, and we've been going up ever since. He did not get it wrong. So far, so good. Look at that smart rally. Very nice looking indices. Even though we have a neutral, the likelihood is I'll try to find a nice decent dip to get long on. And then we've got one other chart that we should look at, and that is NASDAQ. Chart masterpiece, as we like to refer to this chart. We've been using this chart for several years, keeping us in check. And as you see, it's the NASDAQ weekly bar of the bull flags that held so well and all the great stuff that's going on. And every time it gets down to the average, green average, and the trend line, you get a nice hold. Green average in the vicinity, trend line, nice hold. Same thing here, green average in the vicinity, we break, but when we get back, same thing, nice hold. Since then we rallied, all-time highs were here, all-time highs again made literally this week. So you've got to love what you're seeing in our U.S. indices, right? How could you not like them? And that's what I wanted to show you. I've got no air conditioning in my office, so I did one of these shoots. It's very hot in here right now, but there's no way I'm going in the studio. It's 104 degrees in Vegas, and I've got no AC. Hopefully we'll get that resolved this evening or tomorrow. Traders, that's what I wanted to show you. Please leave your comments. As you know, I answer all your comments personally, as I do in every video. Leave comments below. Subscribe to these videos. And please join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. Have a great day trading out there. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. That's the truth. Put your stops in. Keep your emotions out. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.